This is a boat that had this carburetor that came in, and we built it, and it came back because it wasn't working right, and found that his float had melted. So we took it apart, found the float had melted, put this float in there, which is another new float. As you can tell, everything is pristine. And he came back, it's been a week now, and he came back and it's melted this one. And his gas smells just really, really funny. So we're not quite sure what's going on, but I doubt anyone's seen that. Or at least we've not seen that before, and this is two of them in a row within a couple of weeks' time, where it's melted the float and gotten the float loose, so it doesn't want to act like a carburetor.